binding, book binding in Ethiopia. The cover, wooden board cover, as you see. Everything is made at home. So, this is 15th century manuscripts. Sometimes, it's amazing that, people in the 15th century, were they, aware of color? All the saints, even the Virgin, is painted black. Today, even today, you don't find such paintings in churches. Always, a bright color, not black color. So it has to be studied very well. This type of documents. Look, even the evangelist. This is Matthew, and the harag or the decorations. All this,